How to download video from Telegram. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to of course open our Telegram app right here. And then once we open it, what we're going to do next is to just go into our conversation where you want to download the video from. So let's say for example that this is the video that we would like to save. So what we're going to do next right here is to just click the video. Once you are now here, what we're going to do next is to just go here on the upper right corner of the screen, and then you will see this three dots. Once you do that, as you can see, we now have this save to gallery button. So all you have to do is to click on that, and then it will now be automatically saved into our gallery. So if you go into your gallery, you should be able to see it right here. You should be able to see it right here. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to download video from Telegram.